back at it again. But good news is the frame came back for Tombstone. I got a little excited when it showed up, so I kind of put the axles and stuff on it. I didn't even show y'all that I painted the axles. I painted those and everything, so frame, everything's back. Axles are on it. Pablo and Clayton are actually in there working on Pablo's car. Had a little mishap, had to do through floor subframe connector stuff on his car, but you know, it's okay. It makes it that much better. So, like I said, the frame's back, axles are on it. I got the Duke moved out, moved into the paint booth, because that is next on the agenda to get into primer. I need to get it done. So, let me show you the frame now. Oh, it looks so good, so good. Oh man. Like I said, we got the axles, they're painted black, real simple. The frame is antique copper. I set the step up there, give it a little look. But the frame is antique copper. It's a hammer tone texture. It looks good. It looks damn good. But yeah. So, also, I haven't showed y'all what all we're doing to the bed of the truck. I'm gonna walk over there and show y'all what's going on with this. Me and Clayton been working on it. We're trying to get this to primer, or not primer, powder coat as soon as we can. But like I said, we got the stacks on it. I done showed y'all that. I picked up these boxes off of Marketplace. It even came with Teflon and stuff. Isn't that a good Marketplace deal? I'm just saying, it's good stuff. So, got those on there. The bed is gonna be powder coated gloss black. This part of the toolbox will be gloss black, and this door will be antique copper. Then up here, we're building this frame structure. As you can see, I don't know if y'all remember, but the gas tank goes there, or diesel tank, whatever you want to call it. We got to do the repair on that, but there's going to be a hatch here and a hatch over there that will open, and then you'll have the two fillers for the fuel tank right there. You can still access under there, but it's going to be more closed off than anything. So if in the future, say I wanted to add a winch or something to this, I can do everything to the plates and stuff right there, make sandwich plates and stuff. Really don't plan on a winch right now, but if I want to, I can later. And then, like I said, this is all gonna be gloss black. This is gonna be wood, of course. And then this right here is gonna be a hatch. The hatch itself is gonna be powder coated antique copper. And then I have these right here that I'm gonna use to make the steps, where these are gonna be, that one's heavy. A little lighter. But these are gonna go right here. There'll be two of these. And then right here on the face, it's gonna come down and hide where the exhaust attaches. And there's gonna be a filler piece there that goes down. I can make those on the brake or whatever. Do that, get that fixed. So there'll be a step there, because the truck's not super tall, but I mean, it's a little tall. So you'll step onto that. You probably won't even use the second one, the first one, and get on the normal running board for the truck. Do that, and then right here, there's kind of a big gap from that box to the back. So what we're gonna do from over there to here, 60 inches, we're gonna come down at an angle, and it's gonna go flat, and there's gonna be another step here. And then I have these inserts. I can show you all those in a little while. They actually go in the rack right there, that little triangle piece. They have hexagons cut in them. And then of course we have this solid plate right here that goes in this center section right there, and there will be another overlaying plate on that with logos and stuff cut in it, because I've had a lot of people helping with this truck. It's freaking awesome. We got a wiring company that came on board with the truck. It's called Rebel Wire. He's making a full custom wiring harness for the truck. I couldn't be happier. The guy, he asked me questions about stuff that I'm gonna have that I didn't even think of. So it's gonna be a custom made harness to this truck. So it's gonna make life a whole lot easier. The truck is easy. And then back here on the back, we gotta fill in this piece, move that out, add a receiver hitch hole, and then we gotta fix this dent. So we're gonna heat this up, put a port power, push it, hit it right there. Hopefully get all that stuff figured out. So that should work pretty good. But there's a little update for you. We'll be back in a minute. All right, so I went and grabbed one of the inserts. That way I can show you what it looks like when it's up there. So this goes right here. So it'll float in there like that. We got little tabs that will bolt it on. We got this one, we got another one that goes there, then we got the solid plate. So I had a local company to me that I had them cut that stuff for me. It's Mason Industries. And then the people that did the powder coating for the bed is Coastal Powder Coating in Victoria, Texas. I mean, they've done so much stuff for me, it's awesome. But like I said, there's that insert there, there's another one that goes there. So we're gonna do that same type of design where I was talking about right here. It's gonna be another insert that goes there, but it'll be a step, so there'll be a little space right there. So that way it'll help you get up there. And then on the truck, I don't really want any road noise, so what I did, I got some, it's called Mat 66. So I did the whole inside of this truck with this. And what I'm gonna do, I got some carpet, I'm gonna put some carpet and stuff in here. But I don't know if you ever seen the door seals to like a 66 Mustang. Actually, I can show you my dad's. But I'm gonna trim that door seal because it has a Ford logo and stuff, and I think it looks pretty neat. But I'm gonna do that for a holder for the carpet. And then right here, I'm gonna make a band. I'm gonna get some stainless quarter roll, or half roll, I'm sorry. Some like 5/16, 3/8, something like that. I'll polish it real good, and then I'll put studs, and then I'll run that carpet up here, and then that band will go around, and now that's what will hold the carpet into the truck, and it'll bolt to the back and everything. And once that's done, I can trim the top of the carpet, and once the carpet's all in, trimmed, it'll look real nice. But another thing, I know on the last video we talked about clear coating the dash. So what we decided to do is, there's a company called Sweet Patina. They make Patina Sauce. It's what I have put on the Model A and stuff, or the Model is over there. And the stuff's cool. It's you put it on there. It doesn't give it a gloss finish. It gives it like a matte finish or something like that. It looks real neat. So actually, I'm gonna do the doors and the dash and everything in the Patina Sauce. So what we'll do, if you want, I'm gonna put a link down below for the Patina Sauce for Sweet Patina. Blake is awesome. I've dealt with him a few times, and I've used his degreaser. He has a whole product line of everything. So we'll get that put down there. So if y'all want some Patina Sauce, you can go down there and get that. But I'm gonna walk over here to my dad's 66 Mustang, and I will show you the door seals I was talking about. So my dad's car, it's getting there. It's getting there. Don't worry about the wiring mess. We got it running, but haven't worked on it much lately. So look, here's this door seal right here. See, there's usually a Ford logo right here. So what I'll do is come in and I'll trim it around where it will actually sit in the cab, and it'll act as a door seal for the truck, since that truck never really had one before, but we're gonna make one for it. So Mustang's hanging out, big old Terpsky. But show you what I moved the Duke over into the paint booth, and man, oh man, I just love the way this car looks. The goal is to get this thing primered very, very soon. It needs it. So, oh, the black line's gonna mess with it. Just figure out to show that to y'all for a second. I like it. Let's go see what Pablo and Clayton are doing. I'm sure they're messing something up. Hey!
Hi.
What are y'all doing?
Well, we're installing some through-the-floor subframe connectors.
Oh, why?
Well, let's just say some mistakes were made, but they weren't bad mistakes. It just gives us a chance to upgrade everything. You know what I'm saying?
Is that right, Clayton?
Somebody may have cut the roll cage on the wrong bars, but
no, he cut the right bars, just the wrong spot.
Yeah, he could do that.
Alright. Well, there's a little update for y'all. I gotta get Tombstone moved around. I'm gonna put it where the Duke and stuff was. And yeah, I'm gonna get to working on some of this stuff. So show y'all some stuff we'll work on. Oh, engine and transmission are ready to go. I got the D-stroke diesel adapter plate and stuff on there. I got the billet triple disc converter in there. Once some of the powder coating stuff's done for the engine stuff, I can get the engine and everything installed, and then be ready to put the cabin stuff on it. So there you go. Give y'all a little update what we got going today on this beautiful Sunday. We got the frame, everything sitting in the shop. I moved it in here, make it easier for me to work on it, especially when I get the cab and everything on it. I can move over here and get the wiring and stuff done on it and everything. Just a lot better than working on it outside underneath the lean-to. I got the cab put onto the lift. I think I said it before. Like the same thing on Model A. I did like a bed liner type thing on there. It works pretty good. Acts as a little insulator. And then Paul and Clayton, they've been cutting away at his car. They got this through floor subframe connector in. They're gonna start working on the other side, get everything going on that. So yeah, been a busy day. Got cars moved around. Of course, we got the drivetrain stuff put back on Tombstone. So making headway this week. Hopefully, I think tomorrow I'm supposed to get all the other stuff that's black from Powdercoat, and that way I can get the engine and transmission back in. And once that's in, I can really start putting that truck together. It'd be cool to have it running, and I'm gonna say like, I don't know, 2 weeks. It won't have the bed on it, but hopefully we can have it running. I need to get the engine and transmission back in it so I can get a good measurement for the drive shaft. I should have did that beforehand, but you know, it's one of those things you don't think about, I guess. So that is next on the list. So yeah, there you go. There's an update. Hopefully get a little more stuff going for y'all, but that's where we're at. Hey, get off my turbo. What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Making all the food.
Get your hand out of my turbo. It's like working with a bunch of 5-year-olds around here, man. All right.
But you enjoy it.
No, no.
Yeah, you do.
Don't listen to these guys. All right. So, till next time.